In this tutorial, we will be discussing list comprehension in Python. List comprehension is a powerful and concise way to create lists in Python. It allows you to create a list using a single line of code. Here, we have a list of numbers from 1 to 5. We then create a new list called squared underscore numbers using list comprehension. The syntax for list comprehension is to first define the new list, followed by a for loop that iterates through the original list. After the for loop, we define what operation we want to perform on each element in the original list. Let's look at another example. In this example, we have a list of names. We create a new list called name underscore lengths using list comprehension. Instead of squaring each element in the original list, we use the len function to find the length of each name in the list. List comprehension can save you time and make your code more concise. It's a great tool to have in your Python programming toolbox.